What's up everyone? Welcome to the weekly rundown. I'm your host Matt from MultiTech Visions, and today is Wednesday, July 28th. Last week we saw a new formula to act as a back button. Bots can now trigger other bots, as well as other small updates. Let's get to the details. LinkToParentView is a new expression that you can use to create a link to navigate to the parent view, which is the same view that the AppSheet back button would navigate to if you pressed it. This feature can be particularly useful in grouped actions. So what they've done is they've given us a formula that literally does the same thing that the back button would do when you'd press it inside of an app. So you can put this inside of a group action now. So think about that. If I was on the order and I navigated to the child and I'm doing stuff, whatever, when I'm done there, now I can programmatically just say, go back to where you came from. Helpful. Thanks to Ferret for pointing out that this new formula replaces an action that they had actually released about a month ago. Instead of that, they made it a formula for us to use. Now showing a banner error for save errors. When a save error occurs, there will be a full width error visible on all pages showing this error condition. This banner will help people who save an app that they had open on another tab to be able to see that what they are doing is not actually saving. This might or might not have been a situation that you found yourself in. You'll be working on an app and you need to know another column name or something, and you don't have the AppSheet toolbox installed. And so what do? You duplicate the tab, so you open it, so you have that as a reference, so you can look around, you can go to the columns, you can go to the views, the slices, you can dig through it and just using it for reference. And then you go back to the main one that you're using and where you're doing all your work. Okay, but sometimes when you're doing that, you'll get mistaken and you'll be over on the reference tab and you'll make some change, and then it's like, well, what's happening? The thing that I just didn't work. So now there's going to be a full width banner at the very top that's going to alert you to the fact that your saves are not happening. 2 advanced configuration settings are now available when configuring a bot. They allow you to control whether a bot can trigger other bots, and if so, whether to sync data changes only after the bot and all other bots that it triggers finish their execution. So this is going to be really helpful because now you're going to have the ability to say, I have this bot, and I want this one to trigger that one. And maybe this one triggers another one. And maybe this one triggers another tertiary and a third and a fourth and whatever, right? So now you're going to have the ability to say with one bot, okay, trigger that one, but wait for it to finish and then update everything. So they're slowly opening up more and more advanced capabilities with the automation panel. And things like this are going to give us the ability to completely rethink how we slice and dice and how we're manipulating our data inside of our apps. Workflows can now be converted to bots. A button is now available on each workflow that will convert the workflow to a bot. Support for converting reports will be added in the future. So they're continuing with their efforts to phase out workflows and reports. And so they've developed a button that you can press that will just convert your workflow into a new automation. We have a rollout change. The recent feature that allows you to set custom margins for PDF attachments, it's now deployed to 50% of free users and 25% of paid users. An issue is fixed where the overlay action icon color was inconsistent in some color themes. Previously, we had enabled the welcome modals for free users in the editor. There was an issue with the rollout process, which has been fixed, deployed to 40% of free users. Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. Make sure you give it a like and a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. It really helps the channel with all the algorithm stuff that's going on I'm trying to build. Also, if you really want to show your love, you can head on over to patreon.com/multitech. There's some goodies over there. It's $10 a month. I got a lot of good stuff going on over there. Check it out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the community.